Hi friends, in this video we will be discussing about least recently used page replacement algorithm. So in this algorithm we will be replacing the page that has not been used for the longest period of time. So in previous optimal page replacement algorithm we have seen that we will be using the future page references as to replace a page, but in least recently used page replacement algorithm we will be using the knowledge of previous page references and we will be replacing the pages. That is, if a page has not been used for a long period of time, that page will be replaced. So whenever we are coming to the implementation of least recently used page replacement algorithm, it can be implemented in two ways. One is counter implementation and one is stack implementation. In counter implementation, we will be using user registers for each page. So whenever that page is referenced, we will be noting down the clock time of that page reference in that user register. And whenever we want to replace a page, now we will be checking the registers of those pages and we will be finding the oldest clock time page and we will be replacing it. So this is what counter implementation is. Another implementation is stack implementation. So generally stack implementation will be used. Why? Because counter implementation is too expensive. So that is, we have to maintain registers, we have to maintain clocks, we have to find all the registers clock times, and then we have to decide. So this is expensive one. So coming to the stack implementation, in stack implementation we will be keeping track of page references with the help of a stack. So let us see how it is done with for example, we have a stack. So in this stack, supposing that there is a page reference for 1, we will be inserting 1 into that stack. If next there is a page reference for 2, we will be inserting into the stack, and if there is another page reference, we will be reinserting. For 3, we will be inserting into stack. So supposing that now if you want to find the oldest one in this, we will be knowing that the bottommost page will be the oldest one, so we can replace 1. Okay, so supposing that now again if page 1 has been referred again, so we will be removing 1 from the bottom and we will be placing it at the top of the stack. Now you can see that 2 is the oldest page or longest period. 2 is the page which is not used for the longest period of time. So this is how stack implementation will be used. So now let us see an example which will be using stack implementation. So you can see there is a memory reference string or page reference string given, and we will be using 3 page frames are given, and we have to perform least recently used page replacement. Okay, so whenever there is a reference for page 7, so 7 is not in memory, so page fault has occurred and 7 is entered into the page frame. Next reference for 0, page fault occurred. Reference for 1, page fault occurred. Now memory is full. Now whenever we are seeing a page reference for 2, so as we are using least recently used page replacement algorithm, now we have to find the oldest page. So how to find the oldest page? So if you take this stack, so first page to come in was 7, next was 0, and next was 1. Now 7 is the oldest one, so 2 will be replacing, so page 2 will be replacing 7. So now coming to reference of 0 is already present in memory, so no page fault. Now whenever a page reference for 3 is coming in, now again memory is full, we have to replace a page. So you can use stack as I used, but you can see that here whenever there is a reference for 3, now 2, 0 and 2 are just recently used, and 1 is the last one, oldest one. So we will be replacing 3 with, so we will be replacing 1 with 3. Okay, I hope you understood. That is, you can see whenever there is a reference for page 3, so and memory is full, now we have to get the knowledge of backwards. We have to find the oldest page which was not which was referred. So here you can see 0 was just now referred, 2 was the previous one to refer, and 1 was the oldest one. So we will be replacing 1 with 3. Okay, so or else you can implement by using a stack also. So you just see, so 7 was replaced, so at least was 0, then 1, then again what we got here, we got 2. So again 0 was referenced, so again 0 was referenced, so 0 will be going off from the stack and 0 will be coming at the top. So the oldest one is 1, so here 3 is replaced by 1. So like that you will be using the stack. So next is again 0 comes, so 0 is already present in memory, so no page fault. 4 comes and you can see that, so 0 recently used, 3 next recently used, but 2 was the oldest one, so 4 will be replacing 2 here, so 4 is replaced here. Next comes for 2, again you can see 4 is the recent one, 0 is the next recent one, and 3 was the oldest one, so 2 is replacing 3. For 3 again, so 2 4 were the recent one, okay, so 2 4 were recent one, so 0 is the oldest one, so 3 is replacing 0. And coming to 0, again page fault occurs, that is page is not in memory, so the oldest one recent one is 3 and next recent one is 2, and oldest one is 4, so 0 is replacing 4. Okay, so now when page 3 reference comes, it is already present in memory, 2 already present in memory, so no page faults here. And whenever 1 comes, again 2 is the recently used, 3 is the next recently used, and the oldest one is 0, so 0 is replaced by 1. So next 2 is already present in memory, no page fault. Again comes 0, so 2 and 1 are the recently used ones, so 3 is the oldest one, so 3 is replaced by 0. 1 already present in memory, no page fault. 7 again 7 memory full, so we have to see that, so 1 and 0 are the recently used, and 2 is the oldest one, so 7 is replacing 2. And whenever 0 is present in memory, so no page fault. 1 is already present in, no page fault. So this is how least frequently used algorithm will work. Okay, so when you check the number of total number of page faults, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12, total 12 page faults have occurred. And generally LRU is considered as good algorithm and more frequently used algorithm. So whenever you see LRU and optimal page replacement algorithms, they are both belongs to class of stack algorithms, and they will not have the problem of Belady's anomaly. So we discussed Belady's anomaly in first come first serve page replacement algorithm. So whenever we are going for implementation of LRU, can be expensive. So in practice we will be using the approximate LRU, so which we will be seeing in the next class. Hope you understood. Thank you.